Hi, in this short video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add beautiful, attractive photo widget in your Samsung Galaxy home screen. First of all, we have to install the Google Photos app. So go to your Play Store. In your Play Store, go ahead and search for Google Photos and install the Google Photos app. Now go ahead and launch your Google Photos app in your device. Tap on your profile photo and select your Google account, in which Google account you stored all of your photos. Make sure you have uploaded photos to your Google Photos account. Okay, now go to your home screen, simply long press on an empty space, and here select widgets. Under widgets, if you scroll down, here you will find Google Photos. Just tap on Google Photos. Under Google Photos, here you'll find people and pets photo widget and your memories widget. So let's select here people and pets, add, and select an account. So all of my Google Photos are stored in this account. So I'm just selecting my account, okay. And select your photos and select a frame. Let's select this frame. And here, as you can see, my photo widget added. You can resize the photo widget just like so. So that's how you can actually do it. Thank you.